Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys about the Flippa honest review. Is it legit or scam? As you can see, we're on the Reddit page, and later on we'll be exploring Quora because we want to see real people reviews to understand if this is scam or not. As you can see, one person says it's a gamble. Most of the time the seller would want to show lots of data and stats, but they can be manipulated, which is true. And be careful, do your own research, get access to Google Analytics, which is based off of this person, because it is very easy to just get a traffic, get a website and get like a lot of traffic for low cost. So you need to check if this is actually true or not. And then as you can see, it is worth it, but you have to spend same amount of time and money, things like that. So you need to do a lot of research before just jumping into anything. Next up in Quora, as you can see, this person said good and bad people are everywhere, which is true, but you need to do your own research. So what it can be said is that this is a good one and it can be trusted, but don't trust it fully. Have some research, find out ways how you can, actually determine if that website is legit or it is manipulated. If you find out that this is legit, only then go for it. Otherwise, don't. It's just a matter of finding the right fish in the sea. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.